Hey guys, today we are doing Dutch braids. I'm just parting my hair down the back of my head, and you can part your hair wherever you like. And then I'm just going to secure the side that I'm not braiding it so I don't grab any hairs from the back. And then instead of braiding down the back of my head like that, I like to braid down the side of my head right next to my face. And I cut bangs this week, and I just realized this is not a good time to do a Dutch braid video, but maybe it'll actually be good because then I can show you how to fix any hairs that poke out at the end. Okay, so I took my first section, it's about 1 inch away from my part, and I just take this section and I split it into 3 so that you're gonna be holding your 3 pieces. I like to hold the first one in my fist, I hold the middle piece with my finger and my thumb, and the front one with my fist. Then I just pop out my middle finger underneath the middle piece so I can grab the front piece, take the new front piece in your fist and grab the new middle piece in your finger and thumb. Then again, stick out your middle finger from underneath the middle piece so you can grab the back section of hair. And you are going to repeat this fingering the whole way down. So take the middle section in your finger and thumb, take the front section under the middle section into your middle finger, and now take your free hand and add some new hair from the front and add that to your middle finger. Grab the new front piece in your fist, take the middle section into your finger and thumb, stick your middle finger out underneath the middle section so it can grab the back section. Now take your free hand and add some hair from the back into your middle finger. And as you keep watching, you can just see that we're repeating the same exact fingering on each side the whole way down. And if you get confused by looking in the mirror, don't look in the mirror. Just close your eyes, remember this fingering that I'm showing you, and just practice it. You can practice it while you watch TV at night. And then as you get more familiar with the fingering, then watch yourself in the mirror, see how it's going, and you're gonna have it down in no time. And this is where I like to stretch the braid. Just take a section from either side of the braid into your hands and just pull hard, stretch, and make sure you do it all the way down evenly, and then you can work your way back up to make it even bigger. And because my bangs did stick out, I grabbed some lotion, just some hand lotion. I made sure all the ends were just secured together. I put the bobby pin on either side of the hair, and then I stuffed it underneath the braid. So that way it's hidden and I can still enjoy my braids. I don't really wear my hair like this lately though, because all my postpartum hair loss has just been making my sides thinner and thinner. And so you can see that as we do this video. But I'm just gonna show you real quick on this other side exactly what I did on the other side. So you can just watch it, get a feel for it, try it again, do it. And really the more you practice, the easier it gets, and you are gonna do awesome. And as you watch, you can see I'm trying to keep the braid as close to my face as I can. I just like to be able to see it closer to my face. So keep the front pieces tighter, and then just take hair from the back and just bring it all the way to the front. Then you can also see that as I'm doing each stitch, after every section I take, I tighten it. I just pull my hands tight. That will just keep all your hair in, all your hair tight, and it will just be so much easier to go throughout your day without your braid falling out all day. So just take the piece, pull your hands tight, and then take your new piece, pull your hands tight, just over and over and over. And then I just braid down as far as I can without my layers poking out. So I'll just braid, and then as soon as one hair pokes out, I'll be like, oh, can I get it under there? And if not, then I take it into my rubber band with the rest of my hair, and that is how I tie it off with no hair sticking out. And then I go up this braid and I'll stretch it just like the other one. Make sure I've covered my thinness in the front, and then stretch it out, and you are done. And if this helped you learn how to touch braid, then like this video and subscribe to my channel for future how-to videos. Thanks for watching.